Students, welcome back to my channel. I am Nisha. In the previous video, we started exercise 4.2 and one of the questions was I kept pending because data handling, in which I wanted to explain you deck of 52 cards. So let us start. Okay. Now, deck of 52 cards includes 4 suits, that is heart, diamond, spade and club. As you can see here, heart and diamond are red in color while spade and club are black in color. Also you can see that heart contains how many cards, what type of cards are there in one suit. So this heart will have 3 faces, that is 1 jack, 1 queen and 1 king. Also numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1 ace. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. One suit contains 13 cards. In the same way, diamond also will have 1 jack, 1 queen, 1 king, numbers 2 to 10 and 1 ace. In the same way, spade will also have 1 king, 1 king, 1 queen, 1 king, 1 jack and 2 to 10 numbers and 1 ace. Same way, club will also have 13 cards. Okay, so we will have 13 cards in heart, 13 cards in diamond, 13 cards in spade and 13 cards in club. So 13 fours are 52. Now if I check out faces, these are called faces, jack, queen, king. I have 3 faces here in heart, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. So if I count, how many will I have? 3 fours are 12. So if I ask you what is the probability of number of faces in a deck of 52 cards, you can easily say that 12 upon 52 and you can convert it into simplified fraction. So this is what is all deck of 52 cards. Okay students, now let us continue with exercise 4.2. Question number 3, B option was left out. As I told you, I wanted to discuss you deck of 52 cards. So as we have discussed, the question I guess will be very easy for you. Probability of getting an ace from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Now as we discussed, in deck of 52 cards there are 13 suits and there are 4 suits and in each suit there are 13 cards and in each suit we have 1 ace. So there are 4 suits, the total number of aces are 4. 4 ace we have. So let us start probability of getting an ace from the deck of 52 cards is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Now total number of outcomes are all the 52 cards. Okay, and out of 52, how many ace we are having? 1 in each suit and there are 4 suits, so 4. Please simplify this. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So your answer here is 1 upon 13. Now moving on to the next question, students. Okay students, now let us start with question number 4. Question number 4 says that numbers 1 to 10 are written in 10 different slips. The slips are kept in a box and mixed well. And without seeing, we are taking out slips. So we have to find first question, getting a number 6. Now the numbers in the slips are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of these 10 numbers, what is the probability of getting a number 6? So here you can see that there is only one number 6, okay, out of 10. So the probability is 1 upon 10. So let us write here is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. What are the number of favorable outcomes? One time only we are getting 6 and total number of outcomes are 10. So our probability here is 1 upon 10. Now in the same way, what is the probability of getting a number less than 6? Which numbers are less than 6 here? You can easily see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the numbers less than 6. So these are how many digits you can find here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 10 there are 5 favorable outcomes. So here you can write number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So what are the number of favorable outcomes here? 5. 5 upon, out of 5 we are having 10, that means 1 upon 2. Okay, so this, now we have still 2 more questions here. Let us continue. Okay students, question number 4, third one. We have to find the probability of getting a number greater than 6. Can you find the number greater than 6 here? Yes, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so how many digits you can find greater than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of 10, 4. So 4 upon 10 is the answer here. So let us do it. Getting a number greater than 6. Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Is equal to, here there are 4 out of 10, so this is 2 upon 5 if you simplify it. Okay students, now getting a 1 digit number. How many 1 digit numbers are there? You can see here, this is a 1 digit number, this. Only 10 is not a 1 digit, this is a 2 digit number. So we have 9 1 digit number. So out of 10 we have 9 1 digit numbers. So our probability here is 9 upon 10. Okay, so here number of favorable outcomes upon total number outcomes is equal to 9 upon 10. This is our answer. Okay students, so we finished with question number 4 here. Moving on to the next question. Okay students, now moving on to question number 5. Question number 5 says, if you have a spinning wheel with 3 green, 1 blue and 1 red sector, what is the probability of getting a green sector and what is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? Now if you look at this spinning wheel, I have 3 green sectors, 1, 2, 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector. So let us find the answer. Probability of getting a green sector. Out of 5 we have 3 green sectors, so probability is 3 upon 5. So let us do it. Is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Is equal to, out of 5, 3, that is 3 upon 5. And a probability of getting a non-blue sector. Non-blue sector means the sector which is not blue. We have only 1 blue, so rest are non-blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 upon 5. So number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes is equal to 4 upon 5. Very simple. Okay, so we have finished with question number 5. Moving on to question number 6. Okay students, now moving on to question number 6. Question number 6 is based on question number 2, where we have to throw a dice. When we throw a die, there are 6 possible outcomes. That means total outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So based on this we have to find the probability. First is probability of having a prime number, of getting a prime number. So here, which are the prime numbers? You can just list it out. 2, 3 and 5. So how many prime numbers we are getting? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here probability is 3 out of 6, so 3 upon 6. So here you can write number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Is equal to out of 6, 3, and if you simplify it will be 1 upon 2. So answer here is 1 upon 2. Now here not a prime number, probability of numbers which are not prime number. Which are the numbers which are not prime number over here? 1, then 4 and 6. 2, 3, 5 are prime numbers. So we have 1, 4, 6 which are not prime numbers. So out of 6, 3 again. So number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So we have again out of 6, 3, that is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. Now moving on to second question A. Now we have to find the probability of a number greater than 5. A number greater than 5 is 6. So only one number, that is 1 upon 6 is our answer. So here is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So it is out of 6, 1. 1 upon 6 is the answer here. Moving on to B, a number not greater than 5. So here we have these many numbers. Which are the numbers which are not greater than 5? 1, okay, is not greater than 5. 2 is not greater than 5. 3 is not greater than 5. 4 is not greater than 5. 5 is also not greater than 5 because it is equal to 5. So we can include 5 here. So I have 5 numbers. So answer here would be 5 upon 6. So let us do it. Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Is equal to out of 6, 5. 5 upon 6 is the answer here. Okay students, so we have finished question number 6 here. So we have completed exercise 4.2 and we have completed chapter 4 also. Now in the next video we will moving on to chapter number 5. Thank you so much.